Mikey is here. I'm at Air Xtreme, and I'm here with Christine. You want to tell us a little bit about your new product?
This is our newest product. It's a Air Xtreme 6. It is a 6 cubic foot tank that you wear on your back.
Okay.
And it's a quick dive system. So it comes as a complete kit. Your first stage, second stage, and we've got it integrated with a proprietary piece of equipment called the Snorkelator.
Right.
And it's a diverter basically. So one mouthpiece, you can, to maximize your air, start at the surface. You're breathing off the snorkel when it's pointing to the snorkel.
Okay.
When you decide you want to go underwater, you simply turn the dial and now you're breathing out of the regulator. When you come back up to the surface, you can turn it back, so it's a snorkel dive snorkel experience, so you can maximize the time underwater.
So like if you
about
see
10 to 15 minutes of air.
10 to 15 minutes of air, so like you're snorkeling along, you find the atocha, you grab the gold coin, and you come back to the surface.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. All right.
It only weighs like 7 pounds. And it comes fully packed in its own little duffel bag, easy to put on, everything you need.
And then, so if they want more information, they go to
SpareAirXtreme.com.
Thank you very much.